Khuborjylla Pibaro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentakas ni Shillong. Pensyai kinong ilam Shillong bakimpat airai lakin kershan ni persya ikataj besot. En kershan skul ke sorkar sabhuai ngot ki kun swet ki badon haga jing sumar ke social welfare. Lipat ba umentri rang ba ya ke jing sumar temen Nabon Memorial Home hamau yong rim. Bat kentu bahek ye ki dekat ban penklan ya ke BJP Meghalaya. Bat mentangi pasya ki Khubor bakam benya. Kirang ba Shillong jeng ki Shillong ki mamarjan bat udaulan nong lumpong deng ha ke khatway terik Iaiong ki lemi syakmat ban pensyai halor ke jingkren jong Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District wa Abilash Baranwal ubelay tu kilat pathai Khubor ha ke shpau terik Iaiong ha ke ba ulaong bagi Shillong ki bamarjan bat udaulan nong lumpong deng kim don jing persya bat ki ai ke jing kershan ye ke projek jong ke sorkar bante ye ke Taj Resort bat spa haute ulung. Kirang ba Shillong jong ki Shillong ki bekentup ye ba Jinu Karbuki rang ba Shillong ke Maulendep ba Stephen Karkrang rang ba Shillong ke Yam ba William Lingdo rang ba Shillong ke Nyu ba PJ Kurba rang ba Shillong ke Bir minta kesngi ke khatway terik Iaiong. Kilemi syakmat ban pensyai halor kete ke jingkren UDC. Da ke baong, bakimpat ai ke jingkershan ke bepura na ke benta kete ke projek. Henry kidang ap kemilinti ban UI shwa ke jing pensyai lingba ki kot kisla bat ki dulir yate halor kete ke jaka. Habagrench kilap pathai Khubor menta kesngi. Na kaliang kini kirang ba Shillong kila penpau bakum kinong ilam Shillong kim don kenu ke jing persya ya ke roy kapa Henry kimpat ai ya ke jing kershan na ke benta kate ke projek namar bagi kwa ban yo jing sha shwa lingba ki kot kisla lani ke details project report lani ke blueprint bat hadin belayo ban bishar benya ki kot kisla en seperkat ban ai ya ke rai. Kilapan pauru bakum kinong ilam Shillong kidang saah ke jingdum namar haduk menta kimpat UI kita ki kot kisla ki balapan krek ha ke bayadai bat ke projek. Kum kinong ilam Shillong haduk menta kimpat la ban ai ke rai lakin kershan nikin persya ya kini ke projek haduk banda UI shwa ya kita ki kot kisla ki bayadai bat kini ke projek.
To hakini kapor ngi nakalian ki sau Shillong ki bangin dan menta ombir komnyo molendam bat Yam te ikwa ban pensyai ko bede ketika jingmi kan yu si bamenen leng bau disi ka baong persya ki ni kisan Shillong ko bede ketika jingte ketika tahat sapo lumpong deng te nakalian ka jongi ho ngi la yo ke sithi ba pentep ngi bat khot show disi menen gasni te nakalian ka jongi hi ngi la ikran sibun ki ba jadi ban ikran hangte tang kawai galong ba bangi ngidang long thamai ba kenika jing syakhat namar nadu mensyua hi 4 juta kita jing syakhat la kalong nakaliang ka government lani department repair remerin kesan ngi syakhat ngi omani keren te nakaliang ka jongi hi ngidang ya keren hi kalong ba ngim 4 don ya ki jing tip ki bati kenai ka ba ngir ngi syo ni deng ba ki news ki media ha ka bede ka jinglong jingman na lumpong deng te nilai keren syai bat DC menen rekat ba ki officer jong tourism kalong ba ngikwa shwa ki details report lani kita ke blueprint ya ka bangin la masung thu kalong kumno kaman kumno ha ka bede ketika project mo te ti nakalian ga jongi hi ngim pat don ban ong bangi support lani ni persya yaki handai ke jinglo jingkwa ke chongi kalong ba ai shwe ngi ke jingtip ki ba khambnya khnang ba mangi la man ya puli la ni ni pechwa bangin yo man batai ru shakinong Shillong jong kini ki Shillong jongi ti komban chu ong hawa ka bedi ba kalian ke jongi komba ong mene ngi dang long ba thmai ba nomor 4 ju syak khat chi sien ru ka bedi ba kenika ka project temenen kalong kensan kendet tinggi 8 puar ru ba ngi dayo shwe kita ki kot kisla ki ba beng ngin sapet ke bagi dia menle nakalian ke jongi kom kinok Shillong tang datai
Ke sorkar Meghalaya kalarai ban kershan skul saupuwe ngut ki kun swet Samla lut kentai bat chenrang ki bomdon ying don sem ni ki bahaying ki ban pet ban kmi iki Kini ki Samla lut ki don menta ha ka jingpet jingkmi bat jing sumar sukher ka Department of Social Welfare ki lapas ha ka examen SSLC badadang penbenadang shen da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education embos. Kasor Jylla kan belot na dong syadong i kijing lot jing sep ki jing puli jangki. Umintri rang ba ka Jylla ha ka katway trip Iaiong arjar arpun riu ulapin kop buram haying sa jong uwi kini ki sapway ngot ki kena ki papas bah ha ka exam secondary school leaving certificate ki basa ha ka ling ki jaka sumar bakerpang batip kum ki child care institution jong ka social welfare department ki badan harilom khasi bat jantia. Habakren ha kini kajing lang penkop buram, umintri rang ba ulaay kajing ro ya kajing tray borba jeng kini ki kena ki badan ha ki jaka sumar bapher. Bat long ba kajing pas bah jeng ki kapin i ya kajing IT lut jeng pi ha kajing puli baro. Umintri rang ba ula kularu nalor kajing ais ngobha bekiyo ha kini kesngi ka office chief minister secretariat kan kershan by school A ya ki baro na kabenta kajing puli ha higher secondary school. Ladon lang ha kini kajing lang, umintri ketanat puli puthi ke Jylla bat lakimen rumboy, kumju ki officer na ketanat puli puthi bat na ketanat social welfare jong kesorkar Jylla. Ha kini ke step umintri rang ba ulai di sya step ringkat bat kini ke Samla lot haying sa jong u. Kabalakta bat penlung mensin ye ki barokhot. Da kajing sengongo yo umintri rang ba bat ye kesorkar Meghalaya kini ke Samla lot ki lapen pau kajing kemen ke bakraw ha kini ke step.
All my dear students, our dear children who are present out here today, all the officials of the different departments who are also present here, from the social welfare as well as the Chief Minister's Secretariat, different members of different organizations and NGOs who are present out here, ladies and gentlemen. Since yesterday, we have been having multiple programs to connect with our youth and our students. I welcome our Education Minister also. And since yesterday, as I was mentioning, we have been felicitating and having different programs related to education. Right here in the morning yesterday, at the same time, we had felicitated the toppers of the SSLC. So about close to 30 plus students had come. And we met all of them. They had breakfast here. And we had a small program just like today. And after that we had a program which is called ULAS. It's a Government of India program, where we felicitated literacy, where there are so many of our citizens who never got a chance to educate themselves, never got a chance to learn how to read or write. Some of them even as old as 80 years old. But through the ULAS program, they learned how to read and how to write. They became literate. And so the second program yesterday was to felicitate those individuals who, in spite of all challenges, learned how to read and write. The eldest of them all was an 80-year-old person, imagine. Even at 80 years of age, that person took the initiative to learn how to read and write. Today, we are here to celebrate your success.
Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma ha ke khatway ter Iaiong ulepli pat pa ya ke ying sumar ya ke riu temen hamau yong rim balajer kerteng dekat Nabon Memorial Home ban pensana mi ke kerteng jong ke kong Nabon ke nyau terep baningkong banrung syakaniam Kristan Presbyterian. Ya kini ke ying banri ban sumar sukher ya ke riu temen la sandur bat lasdang da ke jingeseng kentai jong ke balang Presbyterian Rilom Presbytery naduk ke snem khat kendai spa nrupun riu hapen thorba. Henry Lashem bakini ke jaka sumar hapen thorba kam dalong ke bakot bakya. Lapin kendria no yaka hau news nem shamau yong rim. Ha ke jingkren pli Menteri Rangba ulayero ya ke mensim bejensur bat badap da ke jingsbun ya kinoyalam jong ke jingeseng kentai ki bala IT met bat mensim ban sumar sukher ya kiriu temen ki ba amdan syuk menu-menuru ban sumar bat ban pet yaki. Ha kini ke jingelang Menteri Rangba ula penok bha arpusan lak tengka syaka Nabon Memorial Home na ke skim Chief Minister Development Fund. Ha kini ke jingelang play la don lang kinongkit kambat ki khot jong ke jingeseng kentai ki pastor ki temen basan bat urang ba shnong rengkat ke executive committee jong kamau yong rim.
Since Memorial Home, which will greatly enhance the importance and success of this august occasion. The program now will be continued inside.
What do you want? Which one? Football field?
If possible, can be both of them.
And the committee one?
Uba Alexander L. Heck uwe ni kinoyalam rangba keseng Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya ha ke khatway trik Iaiong kesengi ba ke BJP ke rakhi ke lingko sau punyo snem balaseng yaka ha ke jingkren ha ke khot bat kinong krisyan jong kini keseng ula kentu ya baro ban sei borba ban tre do im do yap ban penpur perta bat kesam ya ke kerteng jong keseng syaki kendong kencrot jong ke Jylla kenang bagi pat ba kin ai ke jingkrisyan ban poi syakathong jingjob ha ke election MDC ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC bat ha ke election MP Shiteng Samoy ha kilum khasi jantiang ha kini kesengi la samru iki buskit ha kinong job ha ke jingekop inter college debate ha ke wei pat keliang unong aiktin ke BJP uba M Kharkrang long ke sarkar India ke lashim kiabha ya ke jingrung tu jing kibriu na ki wei pat kiri de kila jingeta ki paklan Ula kersyan ban penlong ya ke Special Intensive Revision SIR ya ki electoral roll ban yo weng no ikinong tap vote ki bamde kinong shong shnong jong ke Jylla bat jong kari India. Ulong ke SIR kan khanglat ikinong way ban besut ha ke thup kerteng jong kinong tap vote ha ki election jong kari. Halor ke election ha Assam uba Kharkrang mula penpau ke jingkermen ba ke BJP kan yo biang ya ke jingjob ban sensyar sa sansnem ha kini ke Jylla.
From one of our senior leaders, that is our MLA Bahek, he has written to the government and including all the BJP senior leaders also that before they decide anything on the FCRA, they have requested that the government take everyone to consultation first. All the stakeholders now will be affected by whatever amendment can take place, and the government has put the bill on hold, and we expect that the government of India will take due action only after consultations with all the stakeholders. So that is the stand right now, is that the proposal for the amendment has been put on hold. Garu Hills, we have already brought out a list earlier of 19. Subsequently, we brought out the second list of about 6 of them. So probably by the time that the elections are declared, probably we'll have all the seats. We'll be contesting all the seats. So that's our stand right now.
So what is also the stand of the party on the SIR?
SIR, we welcome the SIR, definitely. Of course we welcome the SIR. And it should happen also. So that voters who are not entitled to be voters of Meghalaya their names should be deleted, definitely. We support the SIR.
So it should be done before the council polls?
Of course, if possible, it should be done before, because probably, as far as I know, it was supposed to start on 1 of April. So I do hope so they complete, especially the places where there are a lot of doubtful voters.
What is the now?
BJP is coming, it's winning hands down. 100% BJP is coming back in Assam. Because what do the people want? The people want development, and there's nothing to hide. I mean, the kind of development that Assam has experienced in the last 10 years have not been experienced in the last 50 years. So why should the people not, why should there be any anti-incumbency? Anti-incumbency happens only when the government is unable to deliver. But in Assam, it has been proven. It has been proven by leaps and bounds. Whatever they have lost out in the last 50, 60 years, they have been able to.
Kinoilam bat kirkot kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya kala rakhi kemen ha kakatway turik Iaiong ha office tarikam jongka ya kalinkot snem basau punyaw na duk bala seng bat sanduriaka kum ke political party hagri India. Hagani ke sngile kemen linkot snem kinoilam jogani ke seng kila penkup burom ya barok ki Samla ki bala job bat wanra kita kemaksiar rupa bat renong ha ke jingakop kickboxing ya siat kenam bat kitu ki bala nok senyang ha ka thok katar bat kiwe de ki jingako. Hagani ke sngi kinoilam ke BJP kilapen kup buram bat ken mau tempang ru ya kinoilam jong ke seng ki bala penok bah ban sedang ya ke BJP ha Meghalaya ha ki snem bala litno. Keseng BJP ha kini ke sngi kalaken mau buram tempang kamtam NEHU Professor Martin Narayan Majau Menteri bat MLA Barim Kamauti Constituency ubala sandur webri ya ke Land Transfer Act ka an ke bala ai ke jingada baskem ya ki kendau ki siap bat ki jaka ki puta jong ki riulum ke Meghalaya. Hagani ke jingelang rakhi sngi lingko snem la don lang Menteri ka Arts and Culture ba Sanbor Shulai ba elhek MLA ke Pentorum Kra nong aiktin ke BJP ba M Kharkrang kinong kit kam Barim bat ki bamenta jong kaseng rengkat kitu ki basyakot ngopha.
Taken by the national BJP and also the state BJP to celebrate the 47th production day of the BJP. We have completed 47 years and we have so many years ahead to strengthen the party organization. That is, it is depend on every individual and all the party Karyakata to take the responsibility to ensure that we are going to every nook or corner of the state and take the flags of the BJP to ensure to invite all the people to join the BJP party. Today I'm very happy also to know that we look like the alumni. All the many old BJP Karyakata, they are assembled here today. So it's like the BJP Meghalaya Alumni Day. I am also very immensely impressed for organizing the seminar and the extempo speech to all the different colleges have been participating in this program. I congratulate to each one of you who are present here today, and also all the winners who are going to be receiving the awards or the prize, whatever prize this is given by the state party. And also we have also the program for the great sport personality who are excel in their different fields in the sport activities. I congratulate them also, and the party today they are going to honor them, to felicitate them, and congratulations to each one of you. So we all here are the party Karyakata. Maybe I am MLA, Basanbor is minister, or president, or the general secretary, or the spokesperson, but we are all the Karyakata. It is our responsibility to ensure that we will be organizing the party and strengthen and keeping in mind this upcoming GHADC election also, and also the MP by-election also at the same time for the Shillong parliamentary seats. We have to keep in mind to ensure that how we are going to fight for this 2 immediate election which is just upcoming in our mind a few days ahead. So I will not take much of your time, but I'd like to just to share with all of you, whether you like it, you not like it, but I will tell you. You like it or you don't like it, I want to repeat this also. There is the amendment of FCRA bills, which I've already written to the Honorable Prime Minister. We should, as much as possible, we have to take all the stakeholders together before we implement the bill of FCRA. Thank you very much and God bless you all.
But da kini ki khubor ngila poi shikabukut tat haduk bengide syambiang kublai shibon.